Cherokee 97 Lima, turn left, fly westbound.
Left, flying westbound, Andrew 97 Lima.
Take sound for 97 Lima for turn left.
Or 97 Lima, affirmative, go ahead and turn left now, sir. Turn left, fly eastbound now.
Sound 97 Lima.
40 Papa, turn left, fly southbound, sir.
40 Pop, look at the traffic at my left hand side.
Or 40 Papa, there's another traffic out there. I'm trying to keep you away from it, sir. That's why I tried to have you turn southbound.
Southbound, you want me to go left or right, sir?
40 Papa, there's Cherokee. Okay, looks like he's ahead and to your right. No factor, sir. Resume mode navigation and frequency change approved.
Zoom on, we'll switch over to SoCal first.
440 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, you on?
651's with you, Iowa Zulu 16 right.
Select 661 Van Nuys Tower, traffic clear, traffic half mile ahead, 1,900 indicated, type unknown. Stand by. 440 Sierra, Van Nuys Tower, turn left, fly westbound.
Reducing to approach speed, silver speed 55.
Select 651, advise you start a climb.
Alright, Select 651, we have traffic inside.
Select 651, they're not talking to us, sir, sorry, go around. Select 651, go around.
Go around, Flex 651.
Aircraft 2 mile funnel, Van Nuys Tower, say call sign.
Remember 84015 with you.
Archer 84015, Van Nuys Tower, understood. You were tagged up wrong, sir, fly westbound.
And westbound 05.
304, resume on navigation, squawk 84 for exchange approved.
304.
40 Pop, turn left 10 degrees, contact SoCal approach, good day. Select at 651, traffic alert, traffic 1 o'clock and 2 miles eastbound, 3,300 indicated jet, maintain out of below present altitude.
Alright, present altitude and look traffic, Flex 651.
5,000, silver speed 55.
Cherokee 8397 Lima, follow the 405 freeway southbound.
5 southbound 97 Lima, can we start that descent here?
We'll expect a resequence.
Select at 651, were you on the visual or ILS, sir?
Iowa Zulu 16 right.
Select at 651, cancel out to restriction, execute the published missed. Contact SoCal departure 134.2.
Alright, published missed 134.2, Flex 651.
Okay. Exit at 659, Van Nuys Tower, no one to track clear left.
6 track clear, like 6